In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use USPS Click-N-Ship. And to get started, head over to USPS.com, then simply hover your mouse on Send, then click on Click and Ship. Here you will be prompted to sign in to your USPS account and create one if you don't have it just by clicking on the Create New Account button. Once inside, you'll see address fields. Just enter in your return address and the recipient's address. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delivery issues. Next is select your package type. You can use your own box or USPS priority mail packaging, then just enter in the weight and dimensions. Next is choose your shipping service like priority mail or Priority Mail Express and pick optional add ons like insurance or signature confirmation. Make sure that you review the details, pay with a card, and then print your shipping label. Tape it securely onto your package. Finally, drop it off at any USPS location or schedule a free pickup right from your doorstep. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!